Greetings, everyone. So today we had the call to make a herbal medicine formula for a little boy, a 6-year-old little boy who has a dry cough. And so here's the formula. We've got our whole elderberries. Likelihood is there's some kind of viral element. We've got our ashwagandha, very strong, lovely tonic herb, decent flavor. We've got our elecampane, just a little bit, but I just absolutely love this herb. It's also an herb that can grow locally, so some allies of mine are growing quite a bit in their garden, which we're going to then process. And then another major ally of mine has just the most incredible honey of elecampane, but she's run out, so we use these mountain rose herbs. They're organic. And then we've got the marshmallow. I love marshmallow because it soothes the tissues, and in a dry cough, the tissue is inflamed in the lungs. And then, of course, we've got our astragalus. Now, the question is, do you tonify during an acute infection? Well, the thing is, we don't know for sure that it's an acute infection because we're in the lung season and it has been dry and kind of nasty out. So Huang Qi can be a really good thing for kids. Think of it like that tongue depressor. But it just tonifies lung qi, because sometimes the lung qi needs tonification in order to grasp the air qi and actually send it down. So that might be the case here. And then I like this Chinese date, the Da Zao. What we want to do is tonify spleen. And I learned something today in terms of lung and spleen. Let's see if I can demonstrate this. But if you move up the power of your spleen and you do exercises that moves up your spleen, what ends up happening is it actually walks up the front of your body through the spleen channel and forms the lung to open it up. And so I learned that just doing some kettlebells today. And then we're going to have our guizhi, which is also a lovely first line of defense, but it's also a good flavor, because a lot of the thing with kids' herbal medicine, and people in general, but particularly kids, is we want to get them the good flavor. So we're going to add plenty of honey to this formula. We've got, of course, our bai he, lily bulb, excellent herb, moisten lungs, suppress cough, quiet spirit. I could hear this kid in the background kind of jumping around and flipping out. And so when I talked to the mom on the phone, so that was suggested to me also, we want a calm spirit. And then I like this yin building. I mean, it is tonified qi, but I believe it to build yin. It's the Chinese yam, shan yao. Just an excellent herb. My teacher who passed away last year, he was a real big fan of this. He'd get fresh of this and grind it into soup. It was really quite good, actually. But I love this one is that it tonifies lung, qi, and yin, and it stabilizes and binds. So that can be stabilizing and binding the bottom, or it can also be stabilizing and binding the top. And so, God willing, this little guy will have a good result. We'll probably borrow to him the essential oil diffuser with the eucalyptus oil if it doesn't improve quickly. And yeah, so that's just my current thinking in herbs, and I just really like to pass this on because I love geeking out about herbs, and I love giving people a sense of their ability to treat the family pathogens at home. I feel like it's so important, so I'm so blessed with my apothecary. Anyway, so blessings to everyone. Take care.